everyone. So today we are going to be doing an old-fashioned empties video. I have been saving up quite a few products and my empties box is definitely overflowing, so I think it's time to do an empties really quick speed reviews, what I think about these types of products, and finally get this trash out of here and make room for other things. I do have a whole playlist of all of my empties videos if you guys want to see more of this type of video. I definitely love making these because it feels so good to finish up a product, and I can't tell you, like, I have so many things and I'm kind of feeling suffocated by it, so I'm really trying to make an effort to use up things. Like, these are all of the things I have used up in the past couple months and what I think about them. Okay, if you have ever seen my empties videos, you'll probably know a couple things that I'm going to show. The first one, of course, is the hair dye I always show all the time, my absolute favorite. This is the L'Oreal Feria Absolute Platinum in Extreme Platinum #1. This is what I always use to do my roots. I like to do this before I do silver. I need to do my roots again. It's probably coming up to do those very soon, but this is always what I use. It does a really good job at lifting my light brown hair to a super light blonde. So that is, of course, in here. Oh, I found another of the hair dye, the L'Oreal Feria, so I had 2 of those. Another hair product I have used, this is the L'Oreal Le Color Gloss in the color Silver. I did a whole video review on this if you want to know what I think about it. Overall, I did like it, but I don't think I would purchase this again. It was just a little bit too expensive for what it was, and I don't know. I used it all in one go. I didn't realize at the time I was supposed to use it in wet hair, so that might have like affected it a little bit at how long it lasts, but overall, I don't think I'd purchase this again. Next is a hair color that was sent to me for review. Again, I did a whole video on this as well. This is from Hair Joy Love, and it's called the Easy Hair Comb color. So this was in the silver. This was the most recent silver that I've done, so this is how it's faded so far after, I'd probably say, about a month or so of my hair. So I, again, have a whole video on this. This was sent to me for review. I wasn't paid for anything talking about it or anything like that. Overall, I did like this. It was definitely a unique process because it has a comb applicator. You don't have to mix anything. It's all mixed in the container. I think it was probably around $14 on sale or $20 regularly, but if I was going to buy this with my own money, I don't think I would recommend it because I just felt like I needed at least 2 to do my hair, and I felt like it didn't mix it quite as well. So although I did like the result of it, I didn't love the process of it, so I probably wouldn't buy this. Next, I used up, of course, Epielle makeup wipes. These are some of my favorite ones. I get them from Big Lots. They are $1 for the 30 pack or $2 for the 60 pack. They have some new ones that I am using up at the moment, and they're kind of cool. So this one is the Aloe Vera. I've done this one a million times. They changed up the packaging though, so it looks a little, I don't know, it looks a little more updated, a little sleeker. So I used up that one that I really liked. This is one of the new ones. It was the hyaluronic acid one. To be honest, I don't feel like I really noticed a huge difference of like all the different like scents and stuff and what they're supposed to do, but I like them all. So that was the hyaluronic acid one. This one was the argan oil one. That one was good as well. And these are the old ones, the old packaging of it. These were 2 of the aloe vera ones. So all of those. Now I think they also have a melatonin one and they have a hemp one. Those are the 2 that I'm kind of like using right now. So I like those as well. So you'll see those probably in the next empty video. Okay, the next thing I've used up is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This one is the all-in-one waterproof one, so it's the blue one. Overall, I liked this, but there are so many other cleansing micellar waters that I like that are less expensive. I feel like this is probably like, I don't know, $10 or something around there. I think I got this at Big Lots, but I can't remember. Overall, I liked it, but I feel like there's other things that work just as good that's less expensive, so I liked it, but I probably won't repurchase it. Speaking of micellar cleansing waters, this is one I really like. This is one I definitely get from Big Lots, and it's not as expensive. It is from Epielle, the same brand that makes the makeup wipes that I like. This one's just called the Micellar Cleansing Water. I like this one because it has the press down top there, and I just feel like that's very convenient. Whenever I got my makeup wipes, I just press down on it, take my makeup off, love it. So this is one that I have repurchased many times, and I am working on one of these right now, so I would definitely buy this one again, especially since I think this is probably anywhere from like, I don't know, $2 to $3, maybe $4. I don't know, but it's a good one and it's really cheap. Some more skincare products that I have used up. This one I actually used today. This is from Vivant and it's the Botanical Mask Pack. It is the Sodium Hyaluronate and Lotus Sheet Mask. I feel like I got this from like a Mimi box a long time ago. I have so many sheet masks and I realized, you know, I don't really love sheet masks anymore. And I have a lot of them. So I'm forcing myself to use them up. So hopefully I will have a lot more in the future to use up and get out of the way. But pretty much my thing with sheet masks, they pretty much all feel the same to me. I'm sorry. They pretty much all feel the same to me, so I don't like spending more than like $1 for a sheet mask. Maybe a couple dollars if it's like a cool kind of gimmicky thing, but overall, I'm not gonna spend more than $1. So I wouldn't buy that again, but it worked fine. The other one I have, this is a good one. It's from Epielle. Again, I get this at Big Lots. These are really good. This is the Honey and Oat Moisturizing Mask. I think you get like a pack of 5 of them for like a couple bucks. Really good. I would purchase these again. These are good because they're cheap and they feel good. So yeah, I like these. Then I also used up a foot peeling mask. I must have done this one a while because I can't remember what I thought about this one. This one is from Avioye. I can't tell because it's a lot of Chinese on here and I can't read Chinese, unfortunately. I don't think I like this one though. This was like a little random one I got. I don't even know where I got it. I wouldn't get that one again. Some hair products that I used up. These are super cheap. I don't like spending a lot of money on like shampoo and conditioner. So these are from Suave and I loved the scent of these. It's Everlasting Sunshine and this one smelled so good. It's kind of smelled like an orange dreamsicle with like really strong vanilla. I don't know. I like these. They're giant. They got my hair clean. They're fine. I kind of just use these up because that's what I had. I like them though, and the scent stayed in my hair, which is really good because I love when fragrances linger in my hair. So those are actually really good. Super cheap, really good. Okay, the next one I used up, I am still finishing up the shampoo, or actually no, the conditioner of this one. It's the Pantene Pro V Radiant Color Shine. I like this one again. The scent of it's really good and it lasts in my hair, so it smells really nice. I like this one because it makes my hair feel a little bit softer than like the Suave ones obviously, but honestly I am not a shampoo snob at all. I will use pretty much whatever's there unless I really hate it, like the OGX brand. For some reason I cannot get down with those shampoos. I feel like I like the conditioners a little bit, but shampoos are a no-go. They make my hair feel like very squeaky and I don't like it, and I feel like they don't lather enough for my hair. Next, I used up the Equate Beauty Blonde and Silver shampoo. This is really good. It's just like the Shimmer Lights. It smells exactly like it too, that kind of grandma-y smell. I don't love the smell, but I don't hate it. It doesn't bother me. This works really good and it's like half the price. You can get this at Walmart. So good. I have another one of these in my shower. I don't go through these very often because this is something I use maybe like once or twice a month. So these definitely last me quite a while. Okay, the next body product I used up, this is one of my all-time favorite shower gels. This is from Bath & Body Works and it's Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I think I have another one of these in my little stash, but oh my god, this is one of the best scents ever. Like anytime these go on sale, like at the end of the year, I like stock up on them because it's my all-time favorite body wash. So used up one of those. A couple more Bath & Body Works products I used up, some of the lotions. A couple weeks ago I posted my Bath & Body Works collection and I have a ton of stuff, I know, but I definitely do use them up. So these are 2 of the fragrances I've used up. This is Winter Candy Apple. This was really good. I love this. You can't go wrong with it. And the next one is the Santa's Blueberry Shortbread. This one again, if they have any of this, if they rebring this out this year and they have it on sale at the end of the year, I'm gonna stock up on this. This one is really good. Oh, so good. Usually when I use these up, I'll like cut the lid off the top because there's always some still in there. So I think I'm going to cut the lids off of these and see if I can squeeze out just a tiny bit more product because there's always something hiding. And another Bath & Body Works product, this is a candle. This is Berry Waffle Cone. This one was a new scent this year and this one is so good. So good. If you like that bakery kind of scent with a little bit of like berries, it smells good. It doesn't really smell like a waffle cone per se to me, but it definitely smells like a really good like a cranberry like baked scone or something. That's what it smells like and it's so good. I do like to repurpose the glass jars, so I will not be getting rid of that. I will be repurposing it for something. A deodorant I used up. This is a good one. I like cheap deodorants too. I'm not a snob. This is Suave 24-hour protection. It's the Tropical Paradise scent. It's like $1. I like these ones. I switch back and forth between Suave scents, but this is always a good one. A perfume. You guys, I never finish perfumes. They take me so long to go through, but this one is the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Bourbon perfume. So good. If you like a smoky vanilla, like wintry, like pipe tobacco kind of scent, this is so good. I can't bring myself to throw away the bottle though, so I'm probably gonna save it and like kind of make it like a little display thing. I don't know. We'll see how long I keep it, but it's very good. This is a really good perfume. If I didn't have so many, this would definitely be one I repurchase because it's that good. And it makes me want to try some of the other fragrances in this line. Like they had like an amethyst one and like a French gray one that I want to try. The black one is good, the white one's good. I haven't owned those, but I've had samples of them before and I like them. So this one, just from all the ones that I've tried like sample wise, this is one of my favorites. So this was a good one. And I never finish up a fragrance, so I'm really proud of myself on that one. Okay, next I don't have the actual product to show you because I used it up, but these I got from the dollar store. Oh my gosh, if you can find this style specifically, get a whole bunch of them. I went there the other day and they did have this brand there, but it was not the style that I wanted. So these I got from Dollar Tree. These are called the Ioni 3D Faux Mink Lashes. So the one you want, if you're like me and you like dramatic lashes, but not dramatic lashes, because I bought one of all three of the styles that they had at the time when I first saw these, and the other two are so dramatic I cannot wear them. They look cartoonishly big on me. Some people can pull off like really big lashes. I'm not one of those people. And these are called the Natural Light Doll. It's the red package one. These are gorgeous. I will try to see if I can find a picture of it and insert it because these are so pretty. Oh, I remember, if you look at my plus size Disney princess video that I did, those are the lashes I was wearing in that video, and I felt like it was perfect because they, even though they call these natural light, these are not natural in my opinion. They're very fluttery, very big, very beautiful, and for $1, oh my god, these are the best dollar lashes I have ever found. Okay, the next thing I used up, it's kind of hard to say like I completely use these up because like I can't use up every single size on here, but these are from Kiss and it's the Everlasting French Toenail Fake Toes. I've talked about these before. I love these. These are so good. You get 24 nails in here. They're just like a French tip. You glue them on, they stay. I love them. I love them. I have bought probably like 3 or 4 packs of this by now. The only thing I hate is obviously I can't use every size nail that's in the kit, so there's kind of a little bit of a waste. Sometimes I will try to use the ones that are like slightly too big or slightly too small just to kind of, you know, get more use out of them, but there are some that are like way too big that I will never be able to use, and I'm like, what do I do with these now? So I wish there was a way you could kind of like customize the sizes you need. Unfortunately there's not, but these are good. I get them at Walmart for about $8 or so. So they're nice if you want like a really quick like pick me up for your feet and you don't want to like go get a pedicure or something. I'm not a person who likes pedicures, but these make my toes look so much better, and I know it's so silly, but I feel so much more confident when I have like these little fake toenails on. They have the little tabs on them so you can like easily put it on your toe and then you just break off the tab and you file it, and it's perfect. It's so easy to put on. Okay, and the last couple things I have to show are my Scentsy Waxes. I always use these up. I call them all Scentsy's even though they're not Scentsy brands. I know that's a specific brand, but that's just what I call them. These I'll get at Walmart for like $2 or $3 a piece. They're my absolute favorites. There's so many to choose from. Pick you up some. Okay, the first one I have, this one is called Mystic. It's got like a little unicorn on the front of it. What does this one smell like? I have to like remind myself. Oh yeah, that one is really good. Yeah, that one's kind of a little florally. That one was good. I love that one. Mystic is by Scentsationals. I also used Festival Vibes. This one was like a bright purple one. Oh yeah, this one was kind of weird. This one was kind of, okay, I probably wouldn't buy this one again. It's kind of like sweet and fruity, but then it also kind of has like a weird herby, like kind of weed scent to it. No, I'm totally feel like I smell like a hint of weed. I don't know, that one was weird. It was a pretty one, but I don't think I'd purchase that one again. I don't. Festival Vibes is by Scentsationals. Okay, the next one, this is like an all-time favorite. This one is Marshmallow Crispies. Absolutely. Yeah, it smells just like it. Definitely really heavy on the orange. Yeah, that smells good. Really good. Marshmallow Crispies, Scentsationals. Another all-time favorite, this is Pumpkin Marshmallow Topping. Anytime they have this one, or there was another marshmallow one that's very similar to this one. Yeah, when fall time comes around, I stock up on these bad boys. These are some good ones. The Pumpkin Marshmallow Topping is Better Homes and Garden. Next, Better Homes and Gardens brand. This one is called Apple Blossom Freesia. This one's really good. Yeah, this one smells like a shampoo. That's how I describe it. Yeah, like a sweet, florally shampoo. Yeah, I like this one. I would buy it again. That one was good. The next one is from Better Homes and Gardens. This one's called Apple and Oud. Oh yeah, that was a really good one too. The oud wood really comes through. It has a hint of the apple. I thought this one was gonna be really heavy on the apple, but this one's very good if you like that woodsy kind of scent. Yeah, that one was good too. I would totally purchase that one again. And the last one I have is Sensationals. This one is called Girlfriend Night. What does this one smell like? This one was like bright pink. Oh yeah, this one's good too. How do I describe it? It almost smells a little bit like the Brazilian Boom Boom cream. Yeah, that's kind of what it smells like. I didn't even realize that till just now. And this one was a really strong one. So yeah, it definitely kind of smells like that one. So yeah, that was a good one and I would totally purchase that one again. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.